Hi everyone, I'm Chris Bacchinelli, live from my production studio in New York City. I wanted to take a moment to walk you through my personal studio as well as our production studio in New York City. In my personal studio, I record the presentation on a Logitech Brio 4K webcam on my MacBook Pro. Here's a clip from the personal studio. What happens is we actually change, and we now have the other person's best interest in mind. Does that make sense? My partner production studio in New York City has a fully dedicated recording space with an on-site producer to make sure everything runs smoothly. The entire presentation will be recorded on an ultra-high definition 4K camera. And all audience playback happens on a dedicated monitor, so I can interact with your participants directly. I want to encourage each of us to look at this not as just a phone call, not as just a Zoom call. Let's really take the time to imagine that we are together. Whether we have your event in my personal studio or in our partner production studio in New York City, I promise to do my best to connect with each of your participants directly. Let's do our best to create that space of belonging and empathy, starting within ourselves and echoing out to the world.